Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English podcast on Daily Conversation. I'm Dana Slate, and today we're talking about a chore that never ends.
And I'm Caleb Ryan. I'm currently wearing my last clean shirt because I've been avoiding the laundry room for a week. I'm pretty sure I've shrunk every sweater I own.
That's exactly why we're here. Today is topic number 9, the laundry. We'll learn how to decode those confusing laundry symbols, the difference between machine wash and dry clean, and how to save your favorite clothes from a coffee spill.
I just hope there's a way to get grass stains out of my dignity. Let's head to the laundromat.
Stop right there, Caleb Ryan. You can't put that red shirt in with the whites. The color will bleed, and you'll end up with a pink wardrobe.
I thought sorting was just a myth. Okay, what about this silk tie? Can I just tumble dry it?
Absolutely not. Look at the care label. That little circle means dry clean only. And this triangle with a cross through it, that means no bleach.
It looks like Egyptian hieroglyphics. Why can't they just write it in plain English?
Once you learn the symbols, it's like a secret code. A tub with 1 dot means cold wash, and 2 dots means warm wash.
Oh no, I just stained my favorite trousers. Should I rub it with a wet paper towel?
No, never rub a stain. You'll just work it deeper into the fabric. You need to blot it gently. Do we have any stain remover or maybe some dish soap?
I found some heavy-duty detergent. Is that too strong for these?
It might be. For delicate items, it's better to use a mild soap and cold water. If it's an oil-based stain, you might need to take it to a professional dry cleaner.
I'll just put everything on high heat so it dries faster. I've got a meeting in 20 minutes.
If you do that, your large shirts will turn into extra smalls. Use the permanent press setting for your work clothes. It helps prevent wrinkles.
It's still a bit crinkled. I guess I have to break out the ironing board.
Or you could use a steamer. It's much faster and safer for fabrics that might burn under a hot iron. Just make sure the water tank is full.
I'm terrible at this. It looks like a lumpy potato.
It's all about the edges. Align the seams first. And for your socks, don't just ball them up. It stretches out the elastic.
Man, I feel like I've earned a nap after all this work. Laundry is a workout.
At least now you have a week's worth of clean clothes. No more last clean shirt for you.
Until next Sunday. Let's get out of here before I find another pile of towels to wash.
I feel much better knowing your clothes aren't going to turn pink, Caleb.
Me too. My red wash days are officially over. Thanks for joining us today on the English podcast on Daily Conversation.
We'll be back with another episode very soon. Next time, we're heading to the local government office for topic number 10, the post office, sending a package, certified mail, and buying stamps.
I need to send a birthday gift to my grandma, so that's perfect. But don't go anywhere. Until then, stay tuned, keep talking, and remember, your next great conversation is just one sentence away.
See you in the next podcast. Bye for now.
Catch you later.